Hey, welcome back. So today we're going to have a business lunch at Los Rancheros. And as you can see, it's yummy, delicious Mexican food, and they have a great atmosphere. So you're gonna need to come in and check it out. We locals kind of like to call it the ranch. So once you enter, you'll notice the stunning decor. Traditionally Mexican, but quite modern as well. It's just perfect. Here's the bar area. Notice below the TVs, there's a door and a window to the outside. Speaking of outside, look at all the extra seating there is. This restaurant has a great capacity and a great setup. Now for the yumminess. Today we chose salads. I have those food allergies, but she does not. And look at that.
Okay, so we have had lunch here, and don't forget, I'm gluten-free and dairy-free, but she's not, so let's rate it. You ready?
Yeah.
2 thumbs up is the best, or a thumbs down is the worst.
Okay.
Here we go. We'll talk to you soon.